Good girl. That's my good girl. Here's an example. Generalization. Cookie knows a couple different tricks. We're doing them out on the trail. Okay, come here. I hope you can see us. Come here, Cookie. Will you spin? Spin. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Now we're going to twirl. Come here, Cookie. Twirl. Come in. Come on. You can do it. Twirl. Twirl. Yes. Okay. Now, we're going to try something. I'm going to sit down and put my back to Cookie. Cookie, sit. Good girl. Good girl. Cookie, sit. Oh, what a good girl. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. So that's a fun thing that you can do. Sit down and put your back to your dog and see if they will still sit for you. And different tricks, or like I said, whatever you're teaching them, whether it's heel, sit, lay down, sit in different positions, you be in different positions, and practice with your dog in different environments. This will increase their ability to generalize, make your dog a smarter dog and a happier dog, and you'll be a happier person too. Okay. Yes, that's a girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Where's that stick? Where are you going with that stick? Where are you going with that stick? Huh? Bring that stick here. Come on. All sticks must die. That's my girl. Come on, Cookie. Good girl. Good girl. So I want to thank you for watching, and if you'd like to learn how to do some of these things that I do with my dog, whether it's the obedience, the tricks, agility, or how to do some of the projects that I do, or learn how to mountain bike with your dog, please feel free to visit me on my Patreon account. That's patreon.com/bosombuddycreations, and it's all about the buddy system dog training. It's all about the relationship, and I have it written down here so you can see that. Bosom Buddy Creations, because it is about creating your perfect bosom buddy. Your dog is your buddy, and that's what I want to help you accomplish. Thank you. Be blessed. Go play with your dog.